Hello everyone, this is Ken Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about intermittent fasting and insulin resistance. So, benefits beyond weight loss. So, if you like the video related to total health and intermittent fasting, please do like, share, subscribe this video so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of content. So here we begin. Let's go. While intermittent fasting is a common weight loss tool, its benefit also expand to treating insulin resistance in patients with diabetes, pre-diabetes, and other conditions. Intermittent fasting, also referred to as time-restricted eating, is an eating plan that involves alternating periods of fasting and eating. The most well-known type of intermittent fasting follows a 16:8 schedule with a 16-hour fast and an 8-hour window for eating. Other types of intermittent fasting schedule include fasting periods of 24 to 36 hours at a time if recommended by your doctor. The primary physical benefit of intermittent fasting is improvement of metabolic health by lowering insulin resistance. While its effect on insulin levels can promote weight loss, what many people strive for, it can have many other powerful benefits for the body. So, the intermittent fasting and insulin resistance. Intermittent fasting has been proven to initiate the repair of important cells in the body and balance hormone levels, which facilitates fat burning. On the broader scale, intermittent fasting also has a significant effect on metabolic health and the body insulin level. So why is this? Fasting for at least 16 hours gives the body a chance to rest and allows both blood levels of insulin to drop significantly. Not only does this help burn fat, it can also lower your risk of disease, particularly diabetes and prediabetes. A range of metabolic benefits. Insulin resistance can cause blood sugar level to rise above a healthy range, putting you at risk for diabetes. That's where we see intermittent fasting having a benefit beyond weight loss. When fasting decreases insulin level, it can be very helpful for people with diabetes and prediabetes and people who struggle with their blood pressure and blood sugar level. So this also includes people with strong responses to insulin and hormone irregularity, like those with polycystic ovary syndrome. Intermittent fasting can help people with PCOS control their insulin level, balance their hormones, and therefore improve their health and symptoms of their disease. Now, intermittent fasting works caloric restriction. So recent studies have compared caloric restriction to intermittent fasting in order to measure changes in body weight and metabolic response. So the findings suggest no major difference in result. However, science and clinical experience show that the quality of food is much more important than the quantity. So, a bagel or a cereal may be lower calorie than an omelette, but they will have a much different effect on hunger, satiety, insulin, and blood sugar level. When you lower calories without addressing the type of food, it's very difficult to sustain and can eventually lower metabolism and increase hunger level. A balanced nutritional diet makes the biggest impact on your health. No matter what, we always focus on nourishing the body first. So we intentionally co-create a strategy with patients to continually explore and figure out what the body needs and when it needs it. So if you're interested in what intermittent fasting can do for your health, consult your doctor or your dietitian to determine how to make healthy and sustainable changes to your eating plan. So that's all about the intermittent fasting related with diabetes in this video. I hope you liked it. I'll definitely come the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you, take care of your health, and enjoy your weekend a day ahead. Bye bye.